Welcome, students. Let's code together. Open up the web browser of your choice and go to collab.research.google.com. That's collab.research.google.com. I recommend that you are logged into a private Gmail account, as many public school Gmail accounts have Collab blocked. Now, take this video, move it to one part of your computer screen, and move your web browser to another part so that you can work with both simultaneously. When you are in collab.research.google.com, you should see a screen similar to this one. Go to the bottom left and click on the big blue New Notebook option. You are now entering Google Collaboratory Notebooks. This is a professional online coding environment to run and execute Python code. This is a very exciting moment. You only get one opportunity to write your first line of code or your first line of code in Python. If you've done this before, have fun and do it again. Type the word print, P-R-I-N-T, all lowercase. Next, put an open parentheses and look carefully at what happens. The word print becomes color-coded, indicating that it is in fact a keyword in Python, and you get a second close parentheses for free provided by Collab, which is great because you need it, and the cursor remains where it should be in the middle. Next, enter a single quotation mark inside of the parentheses. And look at what happens. You get a second close quotation mark, also for free, provided by Collab with the cursor in the middle. Now, you could write anything inside of those quotation marks, but it is a time-honored tradition in computer science to write the phrase, "Hello world, let's do it together," followed by an exclamation mark. Everything looks good. The word print should be lowercase and color-coded. You should have an open and close parentheses, and inside you should have an open and close quotation mark with "Hello World" in the middle. You see the play button. You're probably tempted to press it. I would advise you not to. The best way to run code in Collab is by pressing Shift-Enter. This is a keyboard shortcut. It will save you a lot of time in the long run and help you to become a more efficient programmer. So let's do it together. Hold on to the Shift key, press Return. 1, 2, 3, press Shift Return. Collab is working. It takes a moment sometime to run that first line of code in Collab. We wait suspensefully, and there you have it. Hello World has been displayed. Make no mistake about it, this is extraordinary. This is very different than typing, say, "Hello World" in a web browser or a word processor. In that case, you're using a program that somebody else has written. In this case, you are the programmer. This is real Python code. It is a tribute to Python that it is in fact this simple. This is 5 lines of code in other coding languages. The print function is one of the most ubiquitous in all of Python. You will use it often to reveal key parts of the code that you are working on. You'll use it to interact with users of your code and even other programmers. So let's try using the print function again. This time, pick the phrasing of your choice. So go ahead and enter print, followed by the parentheses and a single quotation. I will say Python is amazing. Pick your own phrasing. And after you have your code up, go ahead and press Shift-Enter. And there you have it. Congratulations on making it through the first lesson. You're well on your way to becoming a Python programmer.